toner cartridges, used in many copiers, fax, and printers, were able to be recycled. This fact creates a great opportunity to start a toner cartridge recycling business. Your advantage is the fact that your clients can save as much as 50% by purchasing recycled toner cartridges, as opposed to the cost of new cartridges. The business can easily be started from home. The only requirement is to have a few basic tools. Compatible cartridges made in China are very cheap, so you have to focus your business on quality, service, and environmental impact. To begin, you have to collect empty cartridge to have cheap spare parts. A toner cartridge cannot be recycled more than 2 or 3 times because the internal parts wear out. You will need to buy printers to test the cartridge you produce. To test a cartridge, you have to print at least 5 test pages of text and graphics. To clean a toner cartridge, the best is compressed air. You can use a toner vacuum too. A toner vacuum is a vacuum especially designed for laser printer toner. Do not use a normal vacuum cleaner. It would be better if you have a toner workstation. If not, you can clean the cartridge at open air. In this case, wear a good face mask. Prolonged exposure to toner powder may cause eye or respiratory irritation and should be avoided. In 2010, the International Agency for Research on Cancer concluded that there is inadequate evidence to conclude that carbon black, one of the toner ingredients, is carcinogenic to humans. But carbon black is carcinogenic to animals, so I classified carbon black as possibly carcinogenic to humans. In any case, it's not good to inhale toner. Having disposable gloves available is a good precaution when handling the toner cartridges. Indeed, toner is only a plastic powder, and it is no worse than drawing on your skin with a pen. You have to choose a supplier of spare parts for toner cartridges, like wiper blades, drum, toner, and chip. The main parts of the cartridge are toner powder. The toner powder is a combination of black carbon, or color pigments, and other additives. It fuses on the paper and create the image, or the text. Each cartridge has its own toner, but several toner powders work in many types of cartridges. Do not store toner bottle in humid or warm environments. If correctly stored, toner powder has almost no expiration date. Every cartridge has its own toner grams load. Never put too much toner powder in a cartridge. Do not try to reuse the toner left inside of the supply hopper. The toner left in the cartridge is mostly waste toner. And if you have 2 different types of toners in the cartridge at the same time, the quality will be compromised. When used alone, compatible toner offer an excellent quality. But when mixed with the original, it does not work. This is because it is impossible for any manufacturer to produce a compatible toner with exactly the same physical properties, particle diameter, melting point, chemical content of another toner. The best you clean the cartridge, the best quality it has. Developer roller. The developer roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. As the developer roller rotates, it attracts toner to it. Do not touch the developer roller with your fingers. The doctor blade regulates the amount of toner on the developer roller. Primary charge roller. It applies an electrical charge to the surface of the drum so that the laser from the printer can write to it. It lasts long, and it's almost never necessary to change it, unless damaged. Some cartridges use a corona wire. Clean the corona wire with ammonia or isopropyl alcohol. The drum is the most important component of the cartridge. It's an aluminum tube with different layers of chemicals. Sometimes, the drum is reusable. Look for wear, check for nicks, and make attention. All drums are easily to be damaged and are light sensitive. Store the drum in a dark place. Lubricate the drum with toner first to install the drum into the cartridge, or the wiper blade may damage it. Then turn the drum by hand to make sure it doesn't flip the blade. For more information on how to clean a drum, click here. Wiper blade. The rubber edge of the wiper blade cleans the drum of any toner that was not transferred to the paper. The blade rides directly on the drum and is one of the main causes of drum wear. It's quite durable, probably you do not need to change it. Recovery blade. The recovery blade is a very thin mylar blade that guides toner that was wiped off the drum by the wiper blade into the waste chamber. If this blade is damaged, toner would drop from the cartridge onto the printed pages. Anytime you see these blades warped, coming loose, wearing across the blade, it is time to replace them. If you personally deliver the cartridges, you do not need to seal it. But a sealed cartridge appears more professional. To test a sealed cartridge, put some grams of toner over the developer roller. Finally, here you'll find a toner cartridge troubleshooting guide.